Hi and welcome to the Pine Poems tutorial. This guide will give you a great introduction to effectively using PineGrow. This tutorial is composed of multiple lessons. Each lesson includes a video, like the one you're watching now, and a set of steps to guide you through the topic. We warmly encourage you to follow along with the steps to get the most out of this experience. Clicking on a step will highlight it, helping you keep track of your progress. You'll also notice some items in the steps are underlined. Hover over them to see helpful tooltips, or click them to reveal the corresponding user interface elements. It's best to keep the info panel displayed so you can easily follow the instructions. But if you need more screen space, you can quickly toggle the info panel by clicking this icon in the top toolbar. Click it again to bring it right back. You can also detach the panel into its own window. This is super handy if you have multiple screens. Let's snap it back into place. PineGrow's user interface is fully customizable. When the window is smaller, the panel might open at the bottom. You can easily resize it or even move it to another location to create a workspace that's perfect for you. You can also resize the side panels to create the perfect layout. PineGrow comes with both light and dark themes. If you prefer a darker look, go to the Window menu, select Theme, and switch to Dark. For this tutorial, however, we'll stick with the default light theme. Okay, let's take a look at our project. The project panel on the left displays the file structure. We'll be working with a simple website built with Bootstrap and some custom CSS. Whether you prefer Tailwind CSS or plain CSS, the concepts in this tutorial will still be very useful. And please feel free to experiment and even mess up the page. Be creative because at any time, you can use the Restart button to reset either the current lesson or the entire tutorial. When you're finished with a lesson, click the Complete button up here. This gives you the choice to leave the tutorial and go back to the dashboard, or to continue to the next lesson. Let's quickly look at the dashboard. Here in the Interactive Tutorial section, you can see all the lessons. Although you can jump to any lesson you like without going in order, it is highly recommended to follow them in sequence for the best learning experience. Let's get back to the introduction, complete the lesson, and get started with the next one.